everybody. So what have we got here then? So this is an ASUS Wi-Fi range extender. So this can be an access point, it can be a Wi-Fi repeater, and it can be a node in ASUS's own AiMesh. So this has just arrived, still in its cellophane packing. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. So the reason I'm getting this is because I want some Wi-Fi in the back garden. The signal's very weak. I've got a power cabinet outside, which you may have seen some earlier videos, and this is going to live outside. So as part of ASUS's AiMesh, that means as you roam around your house, depending on the signal strength, your Wi-Fi devices will roam to the node with the strongest signal. So I'm going to set mine up as an AiMesh node, but you can do it as a repeater, and you can do this as an access point. So I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing, and then in a future video I'll cover setup. So first things first, let's get rid of the film and see what we've got inside. So I paid £80 for this in the UK, which I think is pretty good. So it's quite a small box, as you can see. ASUS. This is the RP-AX58, which replaces the RP-AX56. I think physically, and most of the internals are the same, with the difference being Wi-Fi 6. So if you're going to use Wi-Fi 6, then you want the AX58. If you're not going to use Wi-Fi 6, then save yourself a bit of money and get the AX56. So 3-year warranty, which I think is brilliant from ASUS. Looks like a fairly smart looking device. What else have we got on the box? So this is AX3000, so it's dual band range extender. As it said, it operates in the 5, so you can see that operates in the 5 gigahertz band, and it also does the 2.4, so you've got 2 channels, so it's dual channel as well. They say it works with Asus routers, but it also says it will work with any Wi-Fi router. Mine's obviously going to go with another Wi-Fi router. I've got the RT-AX58, which I will pair it with. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So, safety statement. I'm a VIP member. I don't think I'll do that. There's a quick setup guide. And I don't know about you guys, if you've used ASUS products, they're normally so intuitive. I've never really had to look at any of the paperwork that comes with their devices, but it's there anyway. And then in the box itself, we've got the extender, or the node itself. I'm in the UK, so I've got a UK plug configuration. If you're in other countries, they ship it to you with a plug of your type. What else we got in here? Nothing. So that's everything. No power supply needed, obviously, because it plugs straight into the wall. So what have we got? So nice, smart satin white finish. I'm assuming this is some kind of indicator light here. On the sides, you've got a cooling grill, huge cooling grill on the back, and again on the other side and to the bottom. You've also got on the bottom, which is one of the reasons why I bought this, is you've got an Ethernet socket, and that goes all the way up to 1 gigabyte. So I'm going to backhaul this extender using Wi-Fi to my router. So I think that's the optimum way. So when a Wi-Fi device connects to this, essentially it's getting backhauled to the router and to the internet via an Ethernet cable. So I shouldn't see any lag at all. It does work by Wi-Fi as well, so if there's no Ethernet cable present, it will just connect via Wi-Fi, but obviously in my opinion that might cause a bit of lag. On the side here you've got a reset hole. I don't know what that one is, can't quite see it. Oh, that's a quick connect WPS button, and then you've got some serial information on the bottom. So let's just see how big this thing is. It's very small. I don't think you can tell on the camera. Let's have a quick measure. So the width of this thing is 7 centimeters. The height is just 5 centimeters. The thickness at the top is about 17 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that there. and then at the thickest part, including the plug socket, it's 4.5. I don't know if you can see that, 4.5 centimeters. So overall, I think it looks really good, nice and sleek. Just plug that in the wall, and it will power up. And then I think you can either connect to this thing by its own web page, or you can set it up via the ASUS app, Android and iOS, or you can go into your main router and search for a AiMesh node or Wi-Fi extender there. So that will be the subject of the next video. I just wanted to do the unboxing to show you what this is like. As I say, it's £80, which I think is pretty good. If it gives me the coverage I need, I think that's money well spent. The proof will be in the pudding. I'll do some speed tests once I've set it all up, just to see how this thing performs. Anyway, I hope you like the video. If you do, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.